First big reaction has come in from Modi minister on the Prime Minister panel's economic advisory report, which refers to the majority Hindu population share has declined from 1950s to 2015 by about 8%. Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar has spoken on the shrinking Hindu footprint and has said this is very serious. He says that must investigate conversions and the role of intrusion. India's future could be at stake. This is the Economic Advisory Prime Minister Panel report that has made a finding saying that the Hindu population, the majority religion's population share has come down by 8% and also added that among other communities in the minority, Muslim population share has been up from 1950 to 2015 by about 43%.
The study report, which is linked with the Prime Minister's office, has come out, which says that the majority population the number of majority population has shrank by more than 7%. How do you see this?
No, first of all, it's not Prime Minister's office, it's the Economic Advisory Council that has published this report. And the report lays out certain real facts about what the demography of India is today. What was it some years ago? How certain communities have grown faster than other communities, and how that has caused obviously a consequent change in the demography of India. This is a fact that all Indians need to know, and I'm glad this report has come out. Now, what happens as a consequence of this report is certain important questions need to be asked. And certainly I hope those questions, over time, we will all sit down and come up with answers for them. First of all, the first question is, how is one community growing so fast? Is it a consequence of illegal immigration? Is it a consequence of conversion? There is a need to ask this question and find an answer on how only one community is growing so fast while other minority communities and the majority community is not growing so fast or indeed declining.
तो इसमें कुछ नया आया है ऐसा तो नहीं है, ये तो आंखों के सामने लिखा है, एंड जिसे कहते हैं फिगर्स स्पीक स्ट्रॉन्गर देन वर्ड्स एंड यू कैन नॉट कवर अप. विषय यहां पे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए है कि पिछले दिनों से जो मुस्लिम आरक्षण का राग चला रखा है संख्या के आधार पे, तो मैं कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन से पूछना चाहूंगा कि कितना बढ़ा के, बड़ी संख्या के आधार पे आप कितना बढ़ाएंगे आरक्षण और आने वाले समय में कितना बढ़ाएंगे. ये जनसंख्या तो जनसंख्या से भी बढ़ेगी, धर्मांतरण से भी बढ़ेगी, घुसपैठ से भी बढ़ेगी, और इन सब चीजों को ये इंडी गठबंधन वाले पैट्रोनेज देते हैं, संरक्षण देते हैं.